Hi, my name is Tammy, and I wanted to create this video for you. I came across your Facebook page in my feed. So we're a marketing company out of Greensboro, North Carolina, and I just wanted to give you some tips on how you could improve your Facebook page here, really to get it to rank organically, and also your website. So starting off here, you have a very nice picture right up here at the top. This information is filled out. You really want to add your business address if you do have one. The phone number is good, email, that you have your website logged in there. So that's really good. Your pictures are really nice and clear, and it looks like you do beautiful work. So when we click on Save Link As, instead of download, you definitely want to be saving each one of these pictures as a keyword. So renovations, and I'm sorry, but I've looked everywhere and I can't even find where you service. So definitely add that location here. So say, I am in Greensboro, North Carolina. So say, renovations, Greensboro, North Carolina, you would want to add in that picture, bathroom remodel, Greensboro, North Carolina. So any services that you provide and the locations is definitely how you want to be saving these pictures. So then coming over to your website here, it looks like you have one of the Google websites that you can get a quote right here up at the top. That's really good. What I will say is Google really prefers not so much an aesthetically pleasing website as much as they do content. So the average ad on Google has about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage alone. And the reason being is Google will see all those keywords that you have on your website, they'll index them, and then that's how you get noticed. So definitely content is king in Google's eyes, and it makes you look like you're an authority. So you can have one keyword per about 125, 200 words of content. If you do more than that, it's considered keyword stuffing and you can get docked for that. Also, the pictures that you have on here as well, you could save these instead of just numbers or the year. Definitely want to be saving these as keywords too, like I told you on your Facebook page. So then I did go over to High Point Painters. So that's just one service that you provide. So you can see all the content that they have in here. They even have the map included. So I wanted to go over to Ahrefs, which is a paid tool that we use. And I did go ahead and put you up here at the top. So I'm just going to break down the analytics a little bit for you. So the DR and the UR, that's your power and trust that you have from Google. And it gets that power and trust by not so much the quantity as much as the quality of backlinks that you have. And that's pretty much your website as a hyperlink on another, contractors or renovation business website. So if they're going to trust you, then Google will trust you too. It looks like you're being found for 2 organic keywords. I did not click ahead of time. So home renovation pros and renovation pros. And then I can show you the traffic that you're getting to your site. You're really not getting much traffic to your website right now. So I did go ahead and I pulled up the High Point painting contractor just to show you a little bit more about their backlinks. So they have more power and trust from Google. And the reason being it's because of their backlinks that they have supporting their website. They're being found for 312 organic keywords and roughly getting around 78 people visiting their site each month. So there's really absolutely no reason you couldn't do this as well. I mean, 78 isn't much traffic compared to other businesses that we see. But what we do here is we have a bunch of filters that we could use and narrow down your services and service areas. And it'll give us the keywords. And this is kind of like the copycat method. So we can see what keywords that your competitor is using on their website. And if it pertains to you, we can use them as well. And then the search volume over here is how much one of those keywords is being seen per month. And then the KD tells us the keyword difficulty or how hard it is to rank one of those keywords. So, I mean, they're ranking really well. So all the words that they have, excuse me, are not difficult at all to rank for. I mean, something simple as popcorn ceiling removal high point. That's here in North Carolina. It's getting 10 views per month, and there's absolutely no difficulty in ranking that keyword. So definitely a good one to have. It also tells us the cost per click or the CPC. So if they wanted to run or you wanted to run popcorn ceiling removal, and then we would have to find your city name, but it would tell us, you know, that it's going to cost you, say, $1.44 to run that on a Google ad. So this was just some things that I wanted to go over for you. And then I wanted to show you, so when I put painters near me, you got all, you know, Angie's List, Thumbtack, all the ones you pay for. Then you have the more paid ads. When you come down here, where did it go? Right here. This is what we call the Google Map Pack. So this is where we want you to be. This is where it takes your backlinks to get placed here, and then also the number of citations. So your citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. There's Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook that you have. So we can see how many they have, and then we go out and grab you about 50 more. That way you're really dominating your competition in this space here and taking the traffic that they're receiving. And then down here, this is where your content would come into play that you have on your website. So you can see Geos Pro is up in the map pack. They're also down here in the organic section. So if you have any questions about this or feedback, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.